Hi guys, Nathan here with another Tech Tuesday video. Today we're going to be talking about window guides. All kinds of window guides that we sell, and I want to inform you on your car and which ones you may or may not need. First generation Camaro and Firebird 67 essentially didn't use the same window guide as the 68 and 9 because it had the wing window. So this vertical channel here goes down into the door. Essentially, this is going to be the guide. Unlike 68 and 9 Camaros actually have the window guides that mount to the door. All right, what are window guides? Well, essentially, your door glass is going to slide up, and these window guides are going to prevent the door glass from scratching along the door shell. They're also going to make sure that the glass rides nice and smoothly up into the roof rail channels. On the 68 and 69 Camaros, you've got 4 window guides total. You've got the inners, which are these two right here, and the outers, which are these two right here. Now the outers are sold as a pair, one for each door. The inners, however, are sold as singles. These right here with the mounting tab are the rears towards the back of the car. These without the mounting extra tab, a little bit smaller, a little different design, these go towards the front of the car. Keep in mind, when it says front and rear, it's not the front door shell and the rear quarter glass, it's the front part of the door and the rear part of the front door. That's what oftentimes people get mistakes. They order too many. The back quarter glass does not require the window guide, only the front door shell. Oftentimes, when you're installing your window guides, if you put the front and the rear and you flip-flop them, you're going to run into the door misaligning with the roof rail channels. GM designed the 68 and 69 door glass with a contour that's different towards the back and towards the front, which is essential when you're installing your window guides. They're a little bit different shape, and if you put them in the wrong home, the door glass is going to not align with the roof rail channels. If you're going to replace your window felts on the inside and the outside on your 68 and 9 Camaro, we now have a whole kit that does just that. Part number DWN415. It's going to come with the 2 inner rear and the 2 inner front, and then the outsides. This is to do both door shells, left and right, along with the hardware for the inner guides and the hardware for the outer guides. If you just want to replace your fuzzy material on the outside of the guides, we've got part number DWN400. Again, that's going to do just the fuzzies for the inside guides. If you're going to replace your guides and your window felts, we offer this universal install kit, part number WEA112. This is going to do 6 guides, and then it has the staples and the screws to install your window felts. All right, we talked about 68 and 69 F-body window guides. Now we're going to talk about 70 to 81 F-body window guides. The 70 to 75 cars require 4 of the window guides and 2 of the door panel inner retainer plates. This goes towards the front. The 76 to 81 F-bodies require 3 guides per door, a total of 6 of them. Now, just like on the first generation, if you have the guide and you just want to replace the fuzzy material, part number DWN405 will do the trick. This goes directly onto the window guide. Just like on the 68 and 69, these window guides are going to be adjustable. So if you need to give it a little bit more room towards or away from the car, you can adjust them here. On the 76 to 81, it's going to be 1, 2, and then 3. But this one just has the metal retainer bracket for the door panel. Again, we do sell this as a kit, making sure that you get everything you need, every nut, bolt, and screw on the window guides. But if you just need the one part, we do sell these all individually as well. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget, again, like, subscribe, hit thumbs up. If there's anything you'd like to see that we haven't touched on, maybe shoot us an email, send us a message. Be glad to take a look.